Welcome back. My name is Patricia Regier with Regier Education, and I am super excited and pleased that iSpring has asked to sponsor another video here on my channel. So thank you so much, iSpring, because there are a couple of new features that I want to share about. Now, first of all, custom characters. I'll just mention that briefly, and that may be a quick video in the future, but you can custom create those characters. But today I want to share this about portfolio, and I'm going to explore it with you. So my first look right now, I like to click record right away so you get the same experience as I'm exploring this with you. So the course developers can now create a portfolio of courses. This is great if you're applying for jobs or working with different clients. You can put together a portfolio and share it with prospective customers. So it's designed specifically for course developers. You can read this with me here too, and you can personalize it. You can showcase your job experience, your skills with developing courses, your achievements, and your capacity within this e-learning space and field. So course authors or instructional designers can put together this portfolio. So this is super exciting. And you can see a little example here. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to take you with me and develop one. And I'm excited to share this with you. So join me. And thank you again to iSpring for sponsoring this video. All right, and I will link the other videos about iSpring because there are a lot of fantastic features. Now today, let's look at the new portfolio option. Here in the iSpring suite, I am going to click my letters right here, and I'm going to open up the iSpring space to go into my iSpring account to look at this portfolio option. My portfolio. So you go up to the top right with your icon. Maybe you have your picture there. And I am going to click on my portfolio. Let's take a look and see what I can do. So we can create course portfolios, a showcase and sampling of our work when we're working with clients. Maybe it's also if you're interviewing for a job. But this is great to be able to show prospective clients what you can do, your skills, the interactive options in a course. You can showcase what you know and what you can do. So I'm going to click Start, and I can add a project, but I can edit name here, work experience, can add positions about myself. I can put up my bio there, my different skills I can highlight. I'm going to do that as well. And then when I click add project, it is going to be, I'm going to develop something to upload here. But let's just say, let's click this one, new page, testing. This is when I was testing different options. I'm going to click add to portfolio. And let's just take a look here. So we can give it a title, a description. We can upload a cover image, which is going to be really helpful. So I'm going to take a look through all of that and then click save. All right, so what I have done here is I uploaded a thumbnail picture. I added the title, and then I grabbed a description from one of my courses. Now, what I did notice is it doesn't give me the option of bullet points, so I needed to tweak it just a little bit. Now I'm going to, before clicking go to content, I'm going to click save. Let's see what that looks like. I can grab a little bit about myself. Now I'm going to edit here and click a little bit about myself. Learning experience designer and work experience. I'll add some of that. I'll just put in my bio. It does give you over 1,000 words. I usually don't take that. What I do like too is that with the editing software I have on my computer, I can still make some of those changes even within. So that's fantastic. So you can do that, add some skills. I'm going to save that for now. Okay, I've added a couple work experiences. I'm just going to okay, and then I just click add, and then I can click save. So you can put as many positions as you want right here. It just gives you the option to show more or show less, your current position. And now I'm going to add some skills as well. So what I do is I need to click edit again. It's great to save your work in between anything. I can scroll down, and now I'm going to add some skills. So adding some skills, I'm pulling from my overview. I can copy and paste. I can pull some things out specifically. You can decide how you want to do it. But again, it's with copy and pasting. It's wanting individuals specific. So I'm going to cancel, close without saving, because I had already saved everything else. So I'm going to go to that. And it wants individual skills. So learning and development. And then when I click, it's in an individual one. iSpring Solutions. And you can list other platforms that you might know as well. I'm looking at my resume here. So you can put in a bunch of your skills and then click save. I needed to also add my photo here. So I'm clicking after I've clicked edit profile, I'm just going to grab a photo, and so you can have your headshot. This one's just a little bit more artistic, but it's a circle. So I can click save. I can always replace that later. You can take a look and then click save. And that is how you then also add your photo to your profile. And we've got here all skills, about me, work experience. Now, and I'm going to look at settings here, accent color, headings. We can change all of that as well. That was with the icon at the top, the settings. I can share it once I'm ready, but now I can add a project to the portfolio. So I'm going to develop something and bring in one of my presentation workshop slides and add that as a project. Now with iSpring, and I'll link those other videos, I can make that PowerPoint slide deck more engaging with characters and interactive elements, which are really important, and develop it as a course. So I'll link those videos that I share more about that, but then I can upload that project into this. So I'll show you that next. Okay, so an important step in order to see your project is you need to publish it to your iSpring. So let's go do that right here. Okay, this is the big moment. Let's go. Now that I've published the project, I'm going to add project to portfolio. And let's try this. Yes, there's my project. Now I see it. I'm going to add to portfolio. And I can also give a description. You can upload a cover photo. Okay. So it looks like we have two projects here. Now, when you have uploaded your courses in your portfolio, you can just click on one of the courses or whoever you're sending this link to, and then your course will be there for them to look through. So videos and animations, all of that are part of the process when you publish your course. So it is important to think about the experience for whoever you're sending this to, because you want to have included in that course when you build it any audio or video clips and engagement pieces like a quiz, or iSpring gives you a lot of different ways that you can add some gamification in a way, different engagement, clickable aspects. So with a slide, you want to have audio. And something to think about is at the beginning of that course, people might intuitively know to click next. You might be talking about yourself, maybe, before an interview. It's a way to introduce who you are and what you think is important about learning experience design, that kind of thing. It's an option. But one of the first slides you might want to have is turn on sound on your computer and things like that. Think about the experience for the person and how they're going to navigate it so they can click through. So any animations and movement that you have in your PowerPoint slide that you created for your course will transfer over, which is fantastic. So I won't go through the whole course, but this gives you an idea of once you've built your course and published it, then you can put it into your portfolio. So thanks again to iSpring for sponsoring this video. Thank you to all of you for checking it out. I'll add other links to the other videos about iSpring solutions and course development options so that you can learn about all of those functions and features. I'll also link down below a way for you to check out iSpring for yourself as well. My name is Patricia Regier with Regier Education. Thank you again for checking this out, and I appreciate iSpring sponsoring this video.